Is it possible to use aluminum wire for 100 amp service?
Hello and welcome to our discussion about electrical wiring. Today's topic is a question we hear quite often. Is it possible to use aluminum wire for 100 amp service? In the next few sections, we'll discuss the use of aluminum wiring, its pros and cons, and important considerations.
What is aluminum wiring?
Aluminum wiring was widely used for residential electrical systems in the mid-20th century due to its cost-effectiveness. It's lighter and less expensive than copper. However, it fell out of favor due to potential safety issues.
Can you use aluminum wiring for 100 amp service?
The answer is yes. You can use aluminum wiring for 100 amp service. The appropriate size for a 100 amp service with aluminum wire is typically 2 Aruban florins, American wire gauge. However, there are important considerations to keep in mind, as we'll discuss in the next section.
What are the concerns with aluminum wiring?
While it's possible to use aluminum wiring, it does come with some challenges. Aluminum has a higher resistance to electrical current flow, which means it needs to be a larger gauge than copper to carry the same current. Aluminum also expands and contracts more than copper with temperature changes. Over time, this can cause connections to loosen. In addition, aluminum can corrode when in contact with certain metals, leading to poor connections and potential fire hazards.
How to mitigate the risks?
If you're using aluminum wiring, it's crucial to follow certain precautions. Connections should be installed using methods and components that mitigate the effects of expansion, contraction, and corrosion. Antioxidant compounds can be used to prevent corrosion, and torque screwdrivers should be used to ensure connections are tightened to the correct specification. In conclusion, while you can use aluminum wire for 100 amp service, it's critical to understand the potential issues and ensure proper installation techniques are used. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the topic. Please remember to always consult with a qualified electrician before making any decisions about your home electrical system.